Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be telling you 10 common health myths that people believe and burst them one by one with true medical facts. So let's begin. Myth number 1. You must drink 8 glasses of water daily. Water needs vary based on climate, activity, diet, and health condition. So, the best indicator of how much water you should drink is your thirst and the urine color. Myth number 2. Fever is dangerous. It must be lowered immediately. People panic when even slightly the temperature rises. They think that fever is dangerous. But the truth is, fever is a good mechanism to fight out infection from your body. Fever should be treated only when it is too high, persistent, or uncomfortable. Otherwise, if there is mild fever, then rest and adequate water intake, and you will be fine. Myth number 3. Supplements are necessary for good health. Most nutrients come from the food, but if there is deficiency of any nutrient, only then the person has to take supplements, right? Because excess supplements can be toxic to the body. So it's not that to maintain good health you have to have supplements. Only if there is deficiency, then go for the supplements, or else your food will provide you all the nutrients you require. Fourth, natural means safe. Just because something is natural or herbal doesn't mean that it is safe. It can cause side effects, interaction, or allergy. So use them only after consulting your doctor or the person who knows or has a good knowledge about them. Myth number 5. Sugar directly causes diabetes. Sugar alone does not cause diabetes. There are various other factors such as genetics, lifestyle, insulin resistance, stress, and poor sleep. So all these factors contribute to diabetes, not only consuming sugar. Myth number 6. No symptom means no need for health checkup. So this many people have, right? Because I don't have any symptoms, so I don't need to do any health checkup. So this is wrong actually, because many diseases starts with no symptoms at all, absolutely no symptoms. So a regular health checkup is very important to detect the disease in the early stage so that it can be treated early. Myth number 7. Fat-free foods are healthy. When fat is removed, sugar and additives are added for taste. So natural fat in moderation is healthy. Myth number 8. All carbs are bad. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, millets are healthy carbs. Only refined carbs are harmful. Myth number 9. If you exercise, you can eat anything. Exercise helps to maintain fitness or for weight loss, but your diet plays a bigger role in this. So only exercise and eating anything won't help. Exercise plus eating healthy or eating good is very important. Myth number 10. Women should not exercise during their periods. Light to moderate exercise reduces the muscle cramps, improves mood, and stabilizes hormone. So these were the common health myths which people have. So if you learned something new today and if you found this useful, then like the video, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. And if you need personalized treatment or homeopathic treatment, then online consultation is available, and the details about that is mentioned in the description below. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.